Good evening, good evening, good evening, my loyal Cosimaniacs. Having a little trouble with the camera here. Okay. Anyway, I know it's been a while. Well, anyway, Wednesday was my 72nd birthday. I'm old. I'm the same age as Aleister Crowley when he died. And I look a hell of a lot better. I've still got hair. But, so we went out for lunch and then to Target because I needed underwear. I need underwear. I mean, it just... It gets old, it gets rotted, so I needed underwear. And since we were there, we might as well look around and see if there was something I was interested in. I mean, you're 72 years old. What do you want for your birthday? New pancreas, new liver, new kidneys, new eyes. But you can't get those at a discount store. So anyway, we were wandering around and not finding anything really. I mean, I need a new laptop, but their laptops are all Windows 10 Home, and no one uses Windows 10 Home. That's ridiculous. So that's out of the question. So we were on our way out, and we stopped by this sort of section of cheap toys. And there were these, well, Walkie Talkies. Now, for those of you who are familiar with my work, know that many years ago, I mean, I had dark hair then and everything, I did a video on using a walkie-talkie as basically a hand resonator, an amplifier. And it's essentially, you put your hand over this, you push to talk, you turn it on. Put your hand over it, push to talk. The energy comes out of your hand chakra, and this amplifies it and directs it. It's a nice little psionic wand. I remember one time I had one I called it the Smiter, and we had it in the car. And it was hunting season. And somebody was driving along with a deer strapped to the roof of their truck. So I took the Smiter and I aimed it at him, and he just fishtailed and ended up in the ditch. That felt good. But anyway, I have here one of the walkie-talkies we bought. And an amplifying pattern. The image of the Spear of Destiny. I did a video on charging things with this. It's one of those things, it's a thought form, but you can tap into the thought form, use it. Put that in the center of the amplifying pattern. Walkie-talkie. In the center of the amplifying pattern. Now what's going to happen? Well, the energy of the photograph, the thought form of the Spear of Destiny, is going to get put into the walkie-talkie. So when you pick up the walkie-talkie and you hold it, you're holding the spear of destiny. Isn't that wonderful? So when you turn the walkie-talkie on and you push the transmit button, you're not holding a walkie-talkie anymore. You're holding the spear of destiny. Useful, isn't it? Yes. This is what we call a nuclear magic wand. Well, I don't know about nuclear, but it's a magic wand. But it's an amplified magic wand. It's a powerful magic wand. It's tapping into an ancient thought form. This is a good thing. And all you need to do is a cheap walkie-talkie, print up a picture of the Spear of Destiny, and print up an amplifying pattern. And behold, you have it there in your hot little hands. What more can you want? And it's not that expensive either. So, this has been your old friend, the nefarious, the archfiend, the rude, the ill-mannered, the disrespectful, I'm not sure what else I can add. Agent of the Antichrist, Uncle Chucky. Have yourselves a delightfully evil day.